In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Stripe feed to Xero. To get started, sign in to your Xero account. Once you are logged in, look at the top menu and click on Accounting. A drop-down menu will appear. And from there, select Bank Accounts. This section is where you manage the accounts and payment feeds connected to your Xero organization. When the Bank Accounts page opens, click Add Bank Account. This will take you to the setup area where you can connect a new financial source. In the search bar, begin typing Stripe. As you type, Xero will display matching options. When Stripe appears in the list, click on it to continue. Next, click Sign in to Stripe and connect. At this point, you'll be redirected from Xero to the Stripe dashboard. This is a normal part of the process because Xero needs permission from Stripe to import your transaction data securely. On the Stripe sign-in page, enter your email address and password. Then click Sign in. Make sure you are using the correct Stripe account, especially if you manage more than one. Using the right account here is important because the feed will pull data from whichever Stripe account you connect. After signing in, you'll see the option to connect my Stripe account. Click that button to authorize the connection between Stripe and Xero. This gives Xero access to the Stripe feed so your transactions can begin syncing into your accounting records. You'll then be asked to choose the currencies you want to import. Check the boxes next to the currencies you want to bring into Xero and then click Finish. If your Stripe account processes payments in multiple currencies, this is where you decide which ones should be included in the feed. Choosing only the currencies you actually use can help keep your records cleaner and easier to manage. Once you've finished, Xero will complete the setup and add the Stripe feed to your bank accounts area. From there, you can review incoming Stripe transactions and continue with your reconciliation process as needed. It's a good idea to double-check that the feed appears correctly in Xero after setup, just to confirm everything connected successfully. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.